Hello, children. Hope you all are well. Today, you are going to learn one of the natural calamities, that is, earthquake, given in chapter number 10. Sometimes the ground under our feet shakes. We call this an earthquake. To quake means to shake or tremble. Earthquakes last for only a short while, but they can cause a lot of damage. Buildings and bridges can collapse, roads can cave in, and huge cracks can appear in the ground. Trees and electric poles can get uprooted. It may result into floods, landslides, tsunamis, and fires. Children, if we'll see the structure of the earth, we find that earth is made up of different layers. Deep inside is a solid ball of iron. Around it, there is a layer of molten iron, and together they form the core of the earth. Around the core, there is a layer of rocks called the mantle. And the rocks in the mantle are not hard, they are made up of more like a paste or very thick liquid. Over the mantle, there is a crust where we live, and it is made up of hard rocks. How do earthquakes occur? For this, we should know that the crust is not a single faultless skin over the mantle. It is made up of huge blocks called plates or tectonic plates, which floats on the mantle. These plates fit together like the pieces of a jigsaw puzzle. The paste-like rocky material of the mantle keeps moving slowly. This sometimes makes the plates of the crust slide past each other. When that happens, the earth under our feet shakes and we feel an earthquake. Children, all earthquakes are not equally strong. So how do we measure the strength of the earthquakes? We can measure the strength of the earthquake with the help of an instrument called a seismograph. We measure the strength of an earthquake on the Richter scale. The highest strength of an earthquake measures 9 on the Richter scale. What can be done? Earthquakes occur suddenly, so people cannot be warned. We cannot do anything to stop them either. But we can build houses that can resist or stand up to earthquakes. Such houses are called earthquake resistant. They do not collapse during earthquakes. Building houses with light material like wood and bamboos also helps. Even if they collapse, they do not cause much harm. Some parts of our country are more prone to earthquakes than others. The northern and the northeastern part of our country are prone to earthquakes. For example, some part of Maharashtra and Gujarat. Here are some ways of being safe during an earthquake. Crawl under a bed or table, crouch and cover your face and head. Never try to use the lifts to get out of a building. Stay away from buildings, trees, and poles